My name is Pedro Rodriguez. I am the owner of a family-owned business based in San Fernando Valley, Blu Jay Plumbing. I've been in the industry for over 20 years. Currently, our main source comes from referrals, and our average leads come from Home Advisor and ProConnect. Prior to working with JLE Media, I was working with different marketing companies, but unfortunately, they did not meet my expectations. I have major concerns targeting the right customer base for the type of business I have, and maximizing my budget is very important. What surprised me the most is working with Jordan is how quickly the call volume started to come in and the quality of leads we received. I would definitely recommend JLE Media to other companies.